Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to do a DIY Play-Doh activity. It's super simple and fun, so grab your Play-Doh cans if you want to follow along. First, let's grab green and red Play-Doh to make tomatoes. I'll roll out some green Play-Doh. Let's cut out 3 stars. Now place each of the stars on the tomato. Then just press it down, and that's it! We have 3 cute tomatoes. Next, let's make 2 pumpkins, a bigger one and a smaller one. I'll make a little divot at the top. Then use the Play-Doh knife to create little sections. I'll use green to make leaves and a stem. And for some added detail, I'll roll out some more green Play-Doh to make vines. Let's make a mini pumpkin the same way. Next up, let's use yellow to make corn. Each of these is going to be 1 cob of corn. Let's make the kernels by rolling out some yellow Play-Doh and then wrapping it around the cobs. Then take your knife and run it down the cob to create the kernels. Let's make the husk that surrounds the corn. I'll cut this into a rectangle and then we'll cut triangles. And then just fold it down to create some details. Let's do the same thing for the other one. For the next veggie, let's make lettuce. First, we need to roll this out. Then cut out some circles. Let's add some detail to each of the leaves. Now just layer it around the ball. Now let's make cauliflower. It's very similar to the way we made lettuce, except with the white ball. Let's add some details to the white ball. And then wrap the leaves around it. Time to make some eggplants. Let's roll out this purple Play-Doh so that it's bigger at the bottom and then taper smaller. Then I'll roll out some dark green Play-Doh and cut out some more stars. This is going to be for the top of the eggplant. I'll also add a stem. Here's everything I made today. Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!